I promise everybody that my investigation continue. I know they said the police are doing their own. You know, I'm not part of the people who are doing the police own. My own is totally different. So I'm doing my investigation, and I hope Nigerian police will do a fantastic job. I pray so. And to my greatest surprise, because Maureen nígbà tí mo wá investigate ẹ̀rọ ayé bà mí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o nínú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì o. Àwọn people yìí àti sọ̀rọ̀ sàkámàjẹ́. Mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀. And on the course of my investigation, I stumbled on so many things. And I realized that online, a lot of lies were going on. And I came back and I let everybody know that ìyá ò ní ọmọ mẹ́jọ ni ìyá ìbí, ẹyọ kan ti kú, méje ló wà, kò sí ọmọ màmá kankan ní Canada. It is all lies. Even Ayeni came on my platform here. Ó sọ fún gbogbo wa categorically pé ìyàwó Olualo ó ti lọ bá àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀. Some blogger even brought out videos. Say this is Olualo's wife, which is all lies. But even pé birthday ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ kìíní, irọ́ ni gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. So I started laughing. And this is how, and from my findings. So let's go to my findings. First and foremost, mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo yín kẹ́ gbọ́ dáadáa. You see, my finding is not to destroy anybody. It's not to bring anybody down. It's to ascertain the truth. Nothing but the truth. On the course of my findings, I found out that Prophet Fuare, I want to, because he did a video. I will start from Pastor Segun. Olualo himself did a video. Gbogbo yín ṣe rántí mo fẹ́ play video kékeré kan fún wa. Màá wá dáhùn. Please, ẹ bá mi power tap o. And after that one, I will now give you the story of this. We just stumble on the story of Ayomide Okuneye, àti pé ta ni Ayomide Okuneye, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ sí Pastor Olualo, báwo ni ti Ayomide Okuneye tẹ́ ẹ rí nínú photo yìí, báwo ni case ẹ ṣe wà linked to Olualo. I will tell everybody. And I want everybody to know that Olualo sọ pé Ọlọ́run sọ fóun kó má anybody má jà fóun, irọ́ ló ń pa o. Because I heard from ẹni tó lọ́kọ́ Ọlọ́run má jà fóun. Ẹ jẹ́ kí I need to bring this audio and I want everybody to listen to it. Based on that, it will now lead to Ayomide Okuneye's story. So thank you for Ademola, you send me rose. Thank you. And all the people have been sending me gifts. Most especially, you see those of you on TikTok. TikTok. So please, bear with me.
Bí mi bá bínú sí Pastor Segun ẹ ti máa dá bẹ̀bẹ̀ torí mi ò ní Pastor Segun mi ilé jẹ́ ẹ kọ́pì bí o pé mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lónìí for the first time ó máa fẹ́ mú ìwé lọ́ọ̀yà wá fún mi tó bá fún mi pé Olualo dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tó rẹ̀ nǹkan ní kí n má sọ̀rọ̀ kan Segun bọ̀ mi ìsọ̀rọ̀ òun náà sí bọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ lọ sọ fún mi pé ibi tí mo ti lé ó sọ ibi.
Pastor Olualo ẹ ṣọ́ ọ̀pẹ́ ẹ̀ lé Pastor Segun ṣẹ́rí ẹ̀yin pastor wọ̀nyí lé Pastor Segun. So báwo ni Pastor Segun ṣe kúrò ní ìjọ yín? Suspend Pastor Segun. Kí ni ìdí ẹ̀ tẹ́ fi suspend Pastor Segun? Kí ni Pastor Segun ṣe tẹ́ fi suspend Pastor Segun? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ̀, ó ní Pastor Segun wọ́n ní ó ṣe àgbèrè. Wọ́n ní Pastor Segun ṣẹ́rí wọ́n ní Pastor Segun ṣe àgbèrè. Ṣé ń gbọ́ ni pastor ṣe suspend yẹ? Ó lé Pastor Segun o. Ó ní kí Pastor Segun Pastor Olualo ẹ lé Pastor Segun. Pastor Olualo ó lé Pastor Segun.
Tí ó ṣe ó yẹ mí ni mo lé. Ẹni kí ni ẹ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé kí ni tó ṣe pé ṣé èmi mo lé lẹ́tà tí mo fi lé dà. Ibẹ̀ ń gángan bí mo sọ fún yín pé àwọn kankan wà tí mi lè bá yín dá sí mo mọ̀ káyìn bàbá yẹn ń wò mí o. Wọ́n ní prophet mo jẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ mi ni. Yóò tán dàbí márùn-ún ìtẹ́ bá wo program bàtà ti dá Pastor Segun dúró yìí náà.
Yes,
àìmọye àwọn èèyàn gidi tó lọ lọ́dọ̀ mi àìmọye èèyàn gidi ló ṣe torí wọn lọ lọ́dọ̀ mi mi ò dẹ̀ ṣe torí ti bẹ́ẹ̀ fi wọ́n lẹ̀ torí pé mo fẹ́ mi ìfẹ́ kéèyàn mi parun mo ní ìfẹ́ ẹmú ilé mo mọ̀ pé yóò bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú tí mo sọ yìí ẹ̀yin bàbá mi gbogbo tó bá dùn ẹ má bínú bọ̀ mo mẹ́sẹ̀gì ló débẹ̀ mi ilé pásọ ó wà nínú òfin church
olè ẹyẹ parọ́ olè irọ́ ló ń pa yóò lé.
kí n jẹ́ kó máa lọ but ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ṣẹ̀ kí n bá wí tí bá yẹ ti bá wí tó bá ti gbọ́ mi ní problem kò dẹ̀ tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín pásọ Ṣẹ́gun kò ṣẹ̀lí o.
ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ wọ̀nyí.
ẹ̀tún sọ̀rọ̀ náà tó mo sọ fún tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ó mọ̀.
The £10 you gave me that year 2014 was a lifestyle. God bless you, man. Thank you, sir.
Ọlọ́run bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi so gbọ́ ẹni bàbá tí ẹ ń sọ ẹ pọ̀ ní òpin ìbẹ̀ ní ìfẹ́lẹ́ ní ìfi dìfẹ́ǹdì ara rẹ pé mi sọ kankan náà báyọ̀ kọ́ má kàtì lè lọ́wọ́ yẹn tó ó ló lé ọ kí ló dé tó fi lé ọ ṣé òun ló lé ọ ni ṣé ó kọ̀wé fún ẹni tàbí ó sọ fún ẹ pé máa lọ kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ kí wọ́n bá wá lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti kọ́ ṣe ń pé lónìí olóòtítọ́ ìlú òun ni àṣekà ìlú.
Òtítọ́ wo ló ń sọ pásítọ̀ Olualo ṣé ìwọ ló lóòtítọ́ ìlú.
mi ò dá sí wọn mi ì sì wò wọn but kìnìún yẹn ń pọ̀ jù.
kó pọ̀ jù wọ́n béèrè question lọ́wọ́ ẹ ni ó tẹ̀ sí rí nǹkan kan.
gbogbo pásọ̀ wọn máa bẹ̀ níbẹ̀ ìgbẹ́ dáríjì pásọ̀ Ṣẹ́gun mo ní pásọ̀ Ṣẹ́gun òṣèlú títí di èmi ó ṣe mí rárá o òṣèlú because òun ni mo fẹ́ràn jù tó ẹ ìfẹ́ dẹ̀ nílé ó máa ń bu ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ irú ibi tí mo ti sọ pé kò ṣẹ̀mí ẹ̀ lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún o kò ṣẹ̀mí rárá o torí pé oore ọ̀fẹ́ tó ní kò sẹ́ni tó ní lọ́dọ̀ mi so oore ọ̀fẹ́ ló.
ẹ bá mi power tap ẹ̀yin ará TikTok.
oore opportunity.
ẹ bá wa power tap ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
opportunity is not your right ó kàn rí opportunity lọ́dọ̀ mi ló kà sí right òun ọ̀rẹ́ mi ló ti bá mi ṣọ̀rẹ́ ló ní mo ti ṣọ̀rẹ́ pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ mi mo ló ti bá mi dájọ́ lẹ̀ ló bá mi dálẹ̀.
ènìyàn lé o bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
ẹ̀bùn lọ síbẹ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ mi ni mo lọ sin ẹrú nínú bíbẹ̀ ṣe jìnnà tó.
bọ̀ wọn ò ṣẹrú lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
ṣé irú àwọn ẹni mo fẹ́ máa bá sọ̀rọ̀ níbẹ̀ láíláí.
àwọn òṣè tí wọ́n bíbẹ̀ yìí ṣe ti yẹn yìí gbọ́dọ̀ ni. ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ ti gbọ́ ibi tí mò ń lọ nìyẹn. Pastor Sam Olualo ẹlẹ́ẹ̀lẹ́ Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀lẹ́ Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ó ń parọ́ bí ni o ara bọ́n ṣe ń parọ́ nìyẹn o wọ́n lé Pastor Ṣẹ́gun kí ló fi lé Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ó lé Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ó ní Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ṣe àgbèrè torí pé ó ní Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ṣe àgbèrè náà fi suspend Pastor Ṣẹ́gun and the same àgbèrè tó ní Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ṣe ni pastor gan fún ara wọn ó ní ọ̀gá náà master ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe rí gẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn mi yìí ṣe ti rí gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ẹjọ́ ṣe rí gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ta ló rí gẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn mi lórí TikTok ẹni tó bá rí kó confirm kó òun rí Ayọ̀mídé Òkúnnẹ̀yẹ lórúkọ ẹjọ́ ta ló rí gẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn mi yìí ẹjọ́ ta ló rí gẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn mi yìí okay ẹ ti rí you can see she's pretty God bless you ṣe rí ìwádìí wa ìgbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí wa nígbà tá à ń wá Ìyábọ̀ Yẹ́misí Àlọ́ ọmọ Òbé on the course of our findings I find out pé kí ló mú Pastor Ṣẹ́gun kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Prophet Sam Olualo I find out pé wọ́n ní Pastor Ṣẹ́gun ó ṣe àgbèrè ìgbà tí ó ṣe àgbèrè wọ́n suspend which is in order mi ò rí nǹkan tó bá dínú ẹ̀ but ó ṣe wá láàánú pé nígbà táwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí wa wá rí pé pastor gan fún ara ẹ̀ allegedly àwọn náà wọ́n ní kò ń ṣobìnrin kan ló bímọ fún wọn ìyẹn Pastor Sam Olualo fún ara wọn ẹ mọ̀ pé màmá sọ fún wa níbí níjọ́ kìíní àná pé ìyẹn màmá Ìjẹ̀ṣà pé ẹni tó kọ́kọ́ bímọ fún Olualo. Madam, not everyone understand our language, Yoruba. Okay, I'll try to speak, but I will do at the same time. Because Mama me is here. I'll speak in English. Thank you. Yeah, for those of you that do not understand, they say you don't understand Yoruba. On the course of my investigation, I found out that this lady, her name is Ayọ̀mídé Òkúnnẹ̀yẹ It was allegedly they said she's Pastor Olualo'S girlfriend. That was allegedly. And we find out that this lady lives in Italy. Those of you in Pastor Olualo'S in Milan Church, I know some of you know this lady. This lady, I'm showing that picture now. Her name is Ayomide Okuneye. I know some of you know her. But I know some of you do not know what was actually going on between them. But from our investigation, and for you to know, and I want to remind those of you that went for Pastor Sam Olualo'S father's burial in 2023, if you are among the people that went for that burial, this lady was there. Instead of bringing his wife, it was this lady. This girl, Ayomide, was the one. They say Pastor Shegun mentioned that there is a lady in Italy during his interview with Rotimi Daniel. Thank you. This lady, the lady they mentioned is Ayomide Okuneye. You see, this Ayomide Okuneye, those of you that worship with Adami, worship with Pastor Olualo'S, after Pastor Olualo'S father's burial ceremony, when they all return back to Lagos, there is this program they used to do in the Adami Mogo radio station. There is program they used to do. They say I should speak Yoruba. Oh, I'm sorry, because this thing is majority wants to hear Yoruba. Please speak Yoruba to make it more interesting, oh. Those of you that don't understand English, Emma Binu, Mama Yimosha. And you tell Lossy Beria, Yoruba, please. Majority carry the vote, oh. I should miss them. Compassionate, I'll try to miss it. Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ sí Beria Baba, Prophet Sam Olualo'S. We prefer Yoruba language, oh. Fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lọ sí Beria Baba Olualo'S, ó máa yé yín dáadáa. And fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń follow program nítorí ògo program lórí Adami Mogo. Those of you tẹ́ ń follow that October 2023. This lady give testimony. Wọ́n gbé ojú ẹ̀ jáde o fún ẹ̀yin tí kò gbé ojú ẹ̀ jáde. Ojú gẹ́ẹ̀ náà lele gẹ́ẹ̀ tó sọ story bó ṣe lọ ṣaṣẹ́wó tó gbé lọ ṣaṣẹ́wó ní Milan, tó gbé lọ ṣaṣẹ́wó ní Libya, tó gba tí Morocco tó gba bó ṣe dé ìlú òyìnbó, bó ṣe lọ sí Italy, tó gbé lọ ṣaṣẹ́wó ní Italy, tó jẹ́ ó gba Morocco sí Spain. Gẹ́ẹ̀ náà lele gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbọ́ testimony yẹn lálẹ́ ọjọ́ yẹn. Gẹ́ẹ̀ náà lele. Gẹ́ẹ̀ ìwádìí wa show pé gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ni. Ànígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí wa a gbọ́ allegedly pé olólùfẹ́ Pastor Sam Olualo'S ni gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí. Nígbà tó di last year, a gbọ́ pé Pastor Sam Olualo'S ra ilé lórúkọ gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ní Italy. You see, fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ sùn mi, London mò ń gbé o Sam Olualo'S, mi ò gbé Nigeria, London mò ń gbé. Sherry, this case, I am ready for you. But be prepared. Gbogbo àwọn church tó dá sílẹ̀ ní Europe. We are going to go into this. Ibi tí mo wá díẹ̀ dé, Olualo'S, France. I'll give you the address. Task over to. Àwọn address ibi tó rà by proxy, màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún ẹ. Mo wọ́n ní ẹ pé kó ṣe normal. But since you ṣe normal, the house in Italy belong Pastor Olualo'S ló rà, bó rà lórúkọ gẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni. So àwọn ìwádìí tí mo wádìí ni mò ń sọ fún yín. And ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń parọ́ tẹ́ ní ìyàwó lọ Canada, ìyàwó Olualo'S lọ Canada kọ̀ọ̀kan. Kò dẹ̀ ní ẹ̀gbọ́n kọ̀ọ̀kan sí Canada. And Pastor Olualo'S sọ ní tẹ́yàn bá fẹ́ jẹ́ Ọ̀ṣáká kó jẹ́ Ọ̀ṣáká. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ jẹ́ Òṣogbo kó jẹ́ Òṣogbo. Kẹ́ ẹ wá sórí internet kẹ́ máa deceive ara yín. For you to tell a lot of people that God said you should not do anything. That you should not go to court. You should not do anything. And you can't lie. And you our normal guy, because I heard that you send from Canada, you send letter to brother Rotimi. But you said that Olúwa sọ pé kó má sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹjọ́ èèyàn mi níbo ni ìyàwó ẹ wà ṣe wá di wàhálà báyìí. Ṣé ìyá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ò deserve kó mọ bí tọ́mọ ẹ wà ni? wàhálà mi pẹ̀lú Olualo ni pé ìyá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ń ké ó ké fún gbogbo èèyàn, and it's a safeguarding concern. Safeguarding issue is everybody's concern. Tó bá pariwo síta mi ò ní wá síta. Ìwọ tó ní kí ló kàn mí kan tó kàn mí nìyẹn. Wọ́n pariwo síta, wọ́n láwọn wọ́ ọmọ wọn. And for the fact that they are looking for her is a safeguarding issue. So gbogbo wa is a collective responsibility of every one of us. Láti ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. So gbogbo nǹkan tí mò ń sọ, ìkọ́ ni mo bá dẹ̀ rí ní gbogbo ọ̀nà yẹn, màá máa sọ ní síta. Màá máa sọ fún yín. So those of you who are saying kò kàn mí, ẹ mọ̀ pé eléyìí tí ò kàn mí is for humanity. And mo dẹ̀ ń ké síta torí, and ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ẹbí. And ẹ̀yin, there's limit to everything. Problem ti ẹnìyẹn bó bá jẹ́ pé, but tó ká ní pé ó ti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe, you will not see me outside o. When I came outside, when I advised him, when I advised him that he should let Mama Jesha see ọmọ ẹ̀, ká ló ti ṣe ni, I will not come. I will not even put mouth. Ọjọ́ wo lẹ ti rí mi níta gbẹ̀yìn? Ọjọ́ wo ni ìwọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mi ní block ẹ̀? Ọjọ́ wo ló ti rí mi níta gbẹ̀yìn? Azumi ó ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe, will I come here? Èèyàn kan ò lè máa ṣe irú ẹ̀. Ìlú òyìnbó la wà. Gbogbo wa ò lè máa sọ pé kò sílẹ̀ tó kàn wá. Tí ò bá kàn ẹ́ ó kàn mí. Because when I tí mo gbọ́ ìyá yẹn mo rí ìyá bó ṣe ń ké. Instead of Olualo to do something, tó wá lọ kọ́ àwọn ẹ̀mẹ̀wá ẹ̀ jáde, wọ́n wá ṣe sàkámàjẹ, wọ́n wá ṣe damage control. So it's not going to be easy. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ òun náà ò mọ́ náà. Ó sáàkì pastor suspend pastor ẹ̀pọ̀ ń ṣàrègbè. Ó suspend pastor ẹ̀pọ̀ ń ṣàgbèrè wọ fún ara ẹ̀ olórí alágbèrè. So what is the big deal? Kí pastor ẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣàgbèrè. For all of you that is listening to me in CAC, infidelity is part of the adultery. Àgbèrè kò ń ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní CAC o. Àgbèrè kì í ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní CAC o, fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń join. It's part of the adultery. Ẹ lọ wò wọ́n dáadáa, àgbèrè ó wà part of the adultery. So fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹni kò kàn mí, mò ń sọ ìdí ẹ̀ tó fi kàn mí, is a safeguarding issue. We have children. All we are asking, can you turn the fan a little bit? Small. No, me, if I small, yeah, that's fine. Bye-bye, thank you. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fi pé kò kàn mí, ó kàn mí. Ó kàn mí because assuming they didn't add God to all these things. Tó bá jẹ́ business wọn náà ṣe, I will not go near them. It is our collective responsibility. Ó ṣe ṣàpá lẹ́ni. Àmẹ́ni tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí lọ́la. And Olualo will not get away with this until tá bá rí ọmọ àtìyàwó ẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn kan lè dápẹ́ kẹ́ o. Èmi ò dápẹ́, màá máa ṣe investigation mi lọ. Nǹkan tí mo bá dẹ̀ rí màá wá máa sọ síta. Nǹkan tí èmi bá ń rí ní ìrìn àjò yìí màá wá máa sọ síta. Kò kàn lè máa irú àwọn ìwà báyìí. Oh, thank you for bang for the rose. Tender, thank you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fún mi ní gift lórí TikTok. Ẹ wò orí ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ mo appreciate ẹ o. I thank everyone. What I'm saying is, for those of you who feels kò kàn mí, ó lè má kàn ìwọ ọ̀bọ̀ ó kàn mí. Gbà tí mo ti advice ẹ̀ ká ló gba advice mi ní dá sí. Me and I will continue. Tó bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí mo ń sọ mo gbọ́ pé ó ń send letter. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kó send letter sí mi. London mo wà. I'm not living in Nigeria. I live in London. So I am ready. Court ò jẹ́ bàbàrà fẹ́mi. Court ò jẹ́ bàbàrà fẹ́mi. Ní kọ́ mo ti ń lọ court. Èní kọ́. And if it is true, it is not defamatory. Except if it is not true. And court lóyìnbó ò ń ṣe court Nigeria. And I've learned my lesson. Mo kọ́ ọgbọ́n ni. Wọ́n kọ́ mi lórí cyberspace yìí. Mo dẹ̀ gbọ́n. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ. So I am not afraid of any legal whatever. Before you see me come out like this, màá ti máa kó nǹkan mi jọ. I will not just come here and be talking. I will talk with facts. And you are going to see, let's meet in court. Àṣírí ẹ̀ tó ń bò yẹn màá bá ẹ tutọ́. You know all the omogbo nǹkan illegal tó ṣe tí ò correct on the cost of registration and everything. And gbogbo àwọn tó fi register go kíní gbogbo máa tú síta. Sorry, ó better kó tètè maintain kó jókòó ara ẹ̀ báyìí. mo wọ́n ní mo wá síta mo wá sọ fún ẹni mi ò rán ẹ o màá fara balẹ̀ màá gba lọ́ọ̀yà tiẹ̀ mi ò ní wá sí báyìí mi ní wá tọrọ owó nobody will give me anything I don't need anything nobody should kò sẹ́ni tó bá dáwọ́ fún mi bí màá jókòó tiẹ̀ so ó better kó o maintain nísìn so sorry gbogbo no one is accusing it's just where is your wife and children ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí manipulate máa halẹ̀ máwọn èèyàn kan and besides this lady this Okuneye when he went to Olualo'S that lady was 25 years and as I speak about him now about her right now she's 28 years she's not a minor so see all my long thing is going to be on a long thing and you see all your churches in Europe èmi ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi àti gbogbo àwọn tó lò láti fi ṣe àwọn sàkámàjẹ wọn gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tú so I better maintain me I'm ready o yàtọ̀ sí lẹ́yìn tí MFM kò sí pastor tó máa wá sílùú òyìnbó yìí pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rọ àtẹ̀yìn tí mi ní fi mú ẹ̀ jófin mo ready fún yín ṣe pé mo rántí ìgbà tí MFM when Suleiman came I told Suleiman obi mo ṣe ń sọ́nbì nìyẹn mo ní mi ní stop mo win ní ẹgbẹ̀ yóò sá lọ ni ó jẹ gbèsè 20 tàgbà tó rí pé ó sá kúrò pátápátá ni so this is your case me I'm going to investigate the whole of your church in Europe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe ọmọ ṣe ń wá ìyàwó lèmi máa ṣe lọ àti gbogbo registration o àwọn tó kó jọ o eléyìí tí wẹ́ẹ̀ ò bá pé ìsìn mú wọn ẹ̀ lọ put in order because ó máa loud gan so tètè lọ gba lawyer ẹ kó send ẹ sí mi but let it be a proper service if they are going to serve me let it be a proper service I am ready so mi ò fi bò mi ò sápamọ́ I am here because and those of you that said it's none of my business it is my business because it's a safeguarding issue children below 18 wà nú ẹ̀ so it should be a collective effort of all of us àwọn àwọn mẹ́ta àti odidi ìyá which should be a sort of concern to all of you especially ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá síbi tẹ́ wá ń kọ̀kọ̀kúkọ̀ yẹn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ túmọ̀ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ safeguarding of children and child protection law ní Europe ni you will not come on my platform and write nonsense this is not Nigeria let the Lord take his full course because we are talking this is Europe it's not Nigeria mo fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí TikTok because those of you if you want to make contribution it's only TikTok because me don't need that because if you want to say anything you are free but Cherokee and your man how can you come online we are all responsible for the safeguarding and child and protection order thank you sir it is a collective can you go somewhere then it's a different thing oh yeah go gbé mi lọ court lórí eléyìí gbé mi lọ court in Europe that they are looking for somebody wàá ṣẹ̀sìn gbé mi lọ sí court ní UK eléyìí yàtọ̀ sí pé wọ́n sọ pé òun ṣe sàkámàjẹ o they are looking for three children under 18 and their mother. There's something padà lọ kó lọ sọ fún lawyer ẹ kó lọ ka nǹkan tó ń pè ní safeguarding of children and based on safeguarding that's why you see me coming out. There's something they call child protection law. Nílùú bí ta wà yìí to safeguard children is all of us. Ṣé lè ṣe dúdú ni hello? No, I don't. No. Sorry. No. I have to decline you, I beg. Hey, my damn. Oh, God. Keep on that. Please, can you drop?
One match.
Please, can you drop, please?
One match.
One what?
One match.
I need to drop you. Hey Joe, please guys, I'm trying to
Maureen, one match, okay? Come on guys, step up and share. Everybody sit up. Come on guys, step up and share.
Honestly, I don't know how to drop. That's the problem now. Okay, I'm dropping.
Come on guys, step up and share. Every single person, come on.
Compassionate heart, I'm sorry.
Come on, guys. Everybody take a chair. Everybody slow us. Come on, guys. Take a chair. Come on, guys. Okay, brother. Okay.
Can you please go?
Oh, you please go. Marina, come on, Marina. Come on. My friend is coming. Come on, guys. Take a chair. Marina, big is that you are coming. Come on, please.
My people, I beg you. Ẹ ṣàánú mi o, mo jẹ́ máa drop ẹ ní o. Oh God.
Marina, mental welcome. Okay, say, please talk in English. I don't understand your mental, please. My brother is imagine already imagine. Marina, come on. Come on, guys, step back.
Oh God.
Oh gosh.
Can you go, please? Please.
Can you go, please?
Okay, go ahead. Ẹ ṣé mo tẹ̀ ti mú tẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ tó fẹ́ wọlé lè wọlé. Mo ti mú tẹ̀ kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ẹ ṣé. Mo ti mú tẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ̀yin gbé mi ṣá? Ṣé ẹ̀yin gbé mi? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi so that we can continue. Okay. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń gbọ́ mi, yes, let us start. Àwọn tí ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú àwọn èèyàn wọlé. If you want to join, send a request. If you have anything. If you want to join, send your request. Mo ń sọ Yorùbá. You can't bring people in. I can bring people in. Why can't I bring people in? Oh, people can't join because of the game. Oh my God. Oh God. I should let the game finish. Okay, let me go back. I'll come back. I have to go. I can't pick up. Ẹ bá má bínú o, mo mà kọjá àyè mi ni o. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mo sì mọ ìwọ mi mọ́wọ́ TikTok very well. If it is very good mo ti jù sígbó. Yes, mo ti disconnect here. Good. Yes, so again, accept. Ẹ kálẹ́ o. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Good evening, ẹ kálẹ́.
The problem we have in these countries, we are being blindfolded because this is a very straightforward issue. Why are we people, because of religion, and we are not? Ẹlòmíì gan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìgan sìn gan tó bá pèrè ló nígbàgbọ́ tó bá ṣọ́ra gan ti ṣe Ọlọ́run. Ìyá èèyàn jáde síta ó béèrè ọmọ. Ìwọ kọ́ ló béèrè ọmọ, ìyá tó bí ọmọ ló béèrè ọmọ. Ṣé wọ́n kiri sétí ẹ̀yìn èèyàn tó fi òun sétí yìí? And some people are still saying this thing that oya kó béèrè kò kàn wọ́n kò kàn wọ́n èèyàn. Don't you have blood that runs in our vein?
Kò yé mi mọ́, kò yé mi mọ́, kò yé mi mọ́.
So because of religion now, the normal thing should not be done again. And some people are still sorry. There was a time I wrote the write-up, like I don't understand the way we reason. This is a very simple question, and it must have been avoided. That just with a simple answer. Buy, lower, buy. Sorrow, buy, lower.
But need the call back sorrow on internet. Let the woman come back to us and tell the whole world that Motibo mommy sorrow. Case closed. So don't
be saying because you are Christian, Ọlọ́run kan dá wọn kan lẹ́jọ́ lórí ẹjọ́ wo lọ́lọ́run fẹ́ dáyàn bí wọ́n ní kò wí àwẹ̀ àtọmọ ẹ̀ jáde. You people, and we have a lot of people in that congregation.
And you know the worst part of it, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ wà ní church yẹn. Ẹ dẹ̀ rí ìyá 80 years pẹ̀lú ewu lórí. Ó dẹ̀ ń sun ẹkún.
It's not a bad thing. One let an issue, one let it. But at least we will see one or two people that will come out and speak to this now. And you call yourself a Christian. Why don't you go
one.
You don't have the right to ask for his family. And you call yourself a Christian. My daddy brother, my daddy sister, you are not a Christian. That's not what Christianity taught us. Christianity taught us to care about each other, to look forward for each other's welfare. That is what Christianity taught us. So I rest my case. I need human feelings. Am I done for Christianity? Am I done for blindfold? It's a simple thing. If you buy any lágbájá ìwà, kò sẹ́ni tó sọ pé ó jí ọmọ.
Kò tẹ̀ sọ pé mi ò fẹ́ mọ́ o, mi ò kò sí kankan àfẹ́ra wa mọ́ o, kò lè tó yẹn náà. Ẹ wá jẹ́ kí ìyá àgbàlagbà máa ké, ẹ wá lọ wọn organize àwọn míì, wọ́n wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí ìyá oníyá lórí ọmọ ẹ̀, ẹ tún wá ń búlì ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ tí ò rọ́mọ ẹ̀, ẹ tún búlì ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run adarí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìjà wọn kan ní wa o.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti ná Ọlọ́run kan lára yín kọjá tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run tẹ̀ lọ́n bá ní Australia tẹ̀ lọ́n bá ní Jerusalem tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ ṣe kọ́ wa nínú Bíbélì.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Amen, sir.
Welcome to teacher.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's because of that guy. You know, instead I wanted to remove that guy because I'm not too familiar with TikTok. I was trying to unblock. Maybe I will do it later. Sorry, sir.
Okay,
I will go after it because I'm not too familiar with it. I must confess. I'm very, very sorry, sir. Hello, Mao. I can hear you. We can hear you.
Who should come in now, or should I go ahead?
Go ahead, sir, Mr. Dimola.
You know, when this whole thing started, Mama could mix, so that for the benefit of everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Me, I joined. There was a time they were joining a live pastor. I think Pastor Korede, one man. He's also on TikTok now, but he's a pastor with an independent mind. One of supporting. He used to be a CSC pastor and all those things. I had a shit program going a couple of weeks ago, and I saw about conscience. And I called into that program and I told them something. I said, whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are atheist or you are agnostic, or you believe people like the likes of Bill Gates, the likes of the owner of Facebook, agnostic, they don't believe whether there is God or
and Elon Musk.
Because the law of karma, is a law of rain, dry season, and wet season. That is, so we should understand something about karma. When we go to church or no church, there is always a reward for sowing and reaping. So, anything that conscience. As an employer of labor, even talking to, we are over 205 now, live all of us too. Tomorrow Monday, you get to your workplace, conscience in treating no more package. Because a woman came out, because if this man has that conscience, this matter, if I go back, this is what I'm thinking, man. The two of them have separated. But maybe. Are
you sure? Is that from your investigation? Abi, you are feeling like that, sir?
Well, because there was one of these guys. Now, okay, I'll tell you why I made that statement. A couple of weeks ago, I listened to one of these guys. Don't try to antagonize him. Don't say
the guy mentioned something that I think Pastor Olualo'S, he said he had the video where Pastor Olualo'S for Ránṣẹ́
ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀. Ẹ pé òun lọ sílẹ̀ pọ́mọ òṣìlẹ̀kùn fóun pé tí ò bá pé òun máa kọ ọmọ sí wọn lọ́rùn.
I think they are no longer together. But ma, I'll round up in another 2 minutes. Pastor Chris Oyakilome kò sí pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ẹ̀. Pastors ń jà pẹ̀lú ìyàwó because of the a pastor can fight his wife, or a wife can even fight pastor. But to come out to the open, Mama, àwọn grandchildren tó bí fún mi lè ò fẹ́ wọn mọ́. Àárẹ̀ ẹ̀ di mátà yìí láàárọ̀ la.
Kò tiẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó máa pè é.
Exactly. Nobody, I'm a head the matter. I
will not even come here. I will say dárúkọ ẹ̀ mọ́ láíláí.
Then he comes out tomorrow Monday and says, I'm not perfect. I didn't hand over. But so, I don't know. This is a man that I love. I'm not a stupid Christian. I'm a wise Christian. That when I saw, so for Pastor Obiaku Fidolo, but Tibari, people need genuinity, don't she? You understand what I mean? Humanity, don't it? You get your belief in no law, but also
see life away. You
have to also see life away. You got to see Nigeria where you go. Neighbor mosquito. I think we don't share. We don't go for our federal government. Come and save away. So I do all those things. I sow to his ministry. I love this man's work. When I was in England in January. I was in England in April. I had to make sure all my family members come.
But when you went there, sir, can I ask you the question? When you went to him, why don't you go to him and ask him, sir? Somebody that you love like that, and ask him, where is your wife, sir? People are talking. If I fellowship with him, I will ask him. If you go to his fellowship, you saw into that ministry, that means you are part and parcel of him. That means you believe in his ministry. You should have asked him.
I believe. I won't lie.
So during counseling, so what do you people talk about during counseling? You should have asked him, sir. They are dragging you online. It's not even good for the image of this church. What is going on, sir?
So I'm actually program a couple of times, but the thing is this, man. I don't even know how we can approach this in another way. Okay, let's just talk because that's what I'm feeling.
No, me, I'll continue to bring out whatever I see every week. Mama, mo ti ṣe investigation lọ́rẹ́rẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ káyé gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ máa sọ registration gbogbo churches in Europe gbogbo ẹni máa bá tò síta gbogbo orúkọ tó fi ṣe pátápátá máa bá gbé jáde and all my findings máa gbé jáde tí ò bá ti gbé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ jáde àṣírí tiẹ̀ náà ò níbò.
I think we should just if it level with that day in sin, because káwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé kò kọ̀ wá nǹkan tó ṣe kọ̀ wá ní wípé ìtarajé là ń ṣe because Ọlọ́run àbí everybody tàbá kú tó yẹ kọ́ ọ̀run wà heaven lóòótọ́ Ọlọ́run máa àbí gbogbo wa o.
My own is that me, if today, if Prophet Sam Olualo'S come out to tell us where is Yabo, you will not see me talk about him ever again.
That is my own.
And anywhere I've come short, if I come here and I will apologize. Tabari ele tí mo ṣe tó wrong, I will come here and I will apologize openly.
That's just it. So you got to cherry go ani ko wa mo nípa pé bóyá bàbá níyàwó mẹ́fà ó níyàwó méjì.
Ko ko mi.
But ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ yẹn, that's Ìyábọ̀ and the 3 children is the one to come wí pé okay ó dá afẹ́ra mọ́ ibi báyìí ló wà mo jáwọ́ lọ́wọ́ yìí. So kí bàbá wa níyàwó 300 lẹ́yìn yẹn bí ti Solomon ní Bible ko wa mọ́. That's my own point which I think everybody would agree with you.
Sherry, the more he does, the more tí ó gbé ìyàwó ẹ̀ jáde, the more tá máa lọ máa fọwọ́ kàn bí so yẹ ká fọwọ́ kàn tèmi nìyẹn.
You're right, man. So let me leave the space for
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Brother Michael, sir. Michael Pounds, ṣóbìnrin ni àbọ́kùnrin.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, good evening. I'm fine, thank you. Just a quick one I just wanted to submit. You see, this issue shouldn't have come this far at all if the man of God had done the right thing, like he said. But I think going forward, there are people around him that people know as well. I think the fact that we're dragging him and he's not responding, I think if we drag people around him, I don't know how to say that Yoruba.
We can only drag people around him that are linked to his ministry. That's what I will do. Yeah, I'm starting. I will start from his church in London. All of them. I saw the charity commission details. I'll bring everything. I'll begin drag them.
Yeah, like the churches in London.
Yes. All the registration I have, I'm looking at the one he's operating that is not registered. I will still expose it. So it's better if he doesn't want to wahala, let him go and resolve that issue.
Enough is enough of all these things they're doing to people, man. Enough is enough. Is it when they start killing individuals one after the other that we start looking? That's rubbish. That's my submission, man.
Thank you, sir.
Dragging people around there.
Yeah, I think those people that are linked to that ministry, especially those of them with charity commission, I can see all their details. I'm going to bring them here and I'll begin to drag them. The one in Spain, I'll bring it. The one in Finland. So all of you, if you are listening now, go and meet him to provide them if you don't want to be dragged. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá register káàkiri Europe, gbogbo yẹn máa ní problem o. So ẹ lọ sọ fún kó sọ bí tí Ìyábọ̀ wà. If not, I hope gbogbo ìwé yín pé ṣá, because gbogbo yín máa fọrùn kọ́gi. Melanin. Yeah. Ẹ kálẹ́ sà. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sà.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni pé àwọn pásítọ̀ Ayẹni àǹkó ọjọ́ kan mo wà ní ibi life kan tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọn náà wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ against ẹ̀yin báyìí tí ẹ̀ support Ìyá Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
Ẹ kò lè má sọ̀rọ̀ against me because fake pastor ni wọ́n, ọpọlọ wọn dẹ̀ dúdú and àjẹgbodò wọn wá ní kúra ni. Ayẹni ò kì í ṣe pastor, kò sẹ́mi Ọlọ́run lára, he's a fake pastor. So what do you expect him to say?
Àti mo náà ni.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ na all na struggle ni, ó wá sórí TikTok, ó wá hustle ni.
Àti mo ni.
So tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ní ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run ni kò ní wá sí bíbá, kò ní pa irọ́. Tó bá jẹ́ pé pastor ni kò ní sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ wa ó ti tẹ̀lé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ lọ sí Canada. Kò lẹ́bí sí Canada.
Ó ti bá ìyá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
Níbo ló ti bá ìyá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀? Àló ní irọ́ ni wọ́n kàn.
Ó ní ó ti bá ìyá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní ṣé ọwọ́ Ìyábọ̀ ló yẹ kí nǹkan ti máa bèrè Ìyábọ̀ ni àbọ̀wọ́ pásítọ̀ Olualo'S.
Bọ́sà, kí lẹ̀yin wá sọ tẹ́ bá wà lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ rí pé Ayẹni ó ní àrùn ọpọlọ, orí ẹ̀ ò pé.
Béèrè kánjọ́ yẹn wọ́n lé mi kúrò ní pé ẹjọ́ tí n bá wá sọ́dọ̀ yín tí mo wá fẹ́ yàwó tí mo mú yàwó sílé the right thing to do ni pé mi ìfẹ́ yàwó mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ yín kì í ṣe pé kọ́ wá máa wá kiri kọ́ máa mọ̀ wíẹ̀rì bá ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹnìkan sọ̀rọ̀ sí pé kó wá kó sọ pé òun fẹ́ yàwó mọ́ brother ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ju pé kó wá kó sọ pé òun fẹ́ yàwó mọ́ lọ.
Ṣẹ́rí ó ti kó bá rẹ̀. Ṣẹ́rí ìgbà tán ti kọ́kọ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ nìkan ló ti bọ́ síta tó ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ tó mọ̀ ni. Kò bá má rí báyìí. Instead kó sọ̀rọ̀, ó ní Ọlọ́run sọ pé kóun má sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní kẹ́nìbọ̀dì má jà fún, ó wá gba ẹ̀yìn, ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi lọ́ọ̀yà wá máa tẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹni pé kò sẹ́mi Ọlọ́run lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Kò ń ṣènìyàn Ọlọ́run. Ó parọ́ mọ́ Ọlọ́run lójúkorojú. Within 3 days, Ọlọ́run tó ní kó má sọ̀rọ̀ yẹ, kó ní kó má jà yẹ, ó dẹ̀ tún ní kó má bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe àwèrè kiri.
Ebi ló ń pè wọ́n, Ọlọ́run ò pè wọ́n.
So irú Ayẹni èmi mọ irú wọn Ayẹni òun ṣe pastor.
So now ó ti ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti beyond pé kó wá yànla pé òun ò fẹ́ mọ́. No, wá jáde ibo ló wà.
Ó ti dáràn kọ̀kọ̀ mọ́ ni.
Wọ́n make statement kan lórí live yẹn ọjọ́ yẹn I was so angry. Wọ́n ní ó kúrò ní France ó lọ sí Canada.
Irọ́ náà pa.
Ìlú òyìnbó ni gbogbo wa wà. Téèyàn bá kúrò nínú France lónìí. Tó bá lọ sí France ní 20 years to come.
Wọ́n mọ date ọjọ́ tó jáde.
Wọ́n á fún ní date full details go ibi tó lọ. Wọ́n á sọ fún wọn. Then as a pastor a big man tó lówó lọ́wọ́ ó ní right nígbà ẹni tí ò lówó gan lè béèrè. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa fún ní gbogbo information yẹn pé.
Ká máa sọ pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ nínà.
Yes, ìyàwó mi ni ibi tí mo fi sí ni apartment tó wà ní.
Ibi tí mo fi sí nìyí, bóyá ilé tí mo rà ló wà o, bóyá ibi tí mo rent ni mo fi sí o, mi ò rí mọ́ o. You tell the government á lè bá ẹ wá.
Ọlọ́pàá wà lù ú.
Àní Olualo'S ò tí ì sọ ọkọ tó fọmọ ọlọ́mọ ṣe.
Now wọ́n ló lọ sí Canada lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹgbẹ́ a dẹ̀ ti find out náà pé.
Kò lẹ́gbọ̀n sí Canada. Àní mo tún sọ fún yín pé màmá yẹn bí ọmọ 8, ẹyọ kan ti kú, ó kù 7. Tí mo bá parọ́ kó Olualo'S bọ́ síta káwọn èèyàn kó máa ó kù 7, 5 wà Nàìjíríà, 2 wà lóyìnbó, Yẹ́mi sí yẹn àti ẹ̀gbọ́n Tèmídayọ̀ tó wà ní London. So níbo lẹbi ẹni tó lọ bá ẹ̀gbọ́n ìwo ló wà Canada? Irọ́ náà pa.
Téèyàn bá tiẹ̀ exit kúrò ní inú ìlú kan, wọ́n á mọ̀ ìlú tó lọ. Then o ní influence láti lọ sílùú yẹn náà láti ti lọ bèrè pé ó yá ẹni tó wọlé ìjọba ìbáyìí ibo ló wà. Immigration wà lù náà.
Ṣé rí nǹkan tẹ̀mí rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ní Olualo'S wọn ò tí ì drag, wọn ò tí ì mú níbi tó yẹ ní tàbá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mú níbi tó yẹ ká ti mú sìn. Ó máa talk through.
kò lè sọ bí tó wà. Kò lè ṣéyàn máa ń wá nǹkan tí ò sọnù ni.
Ẹ tún gbé mi dé o.
No, ṣé yóò bá gbogbo wa ṣéyàn máa ń wá nǹkan tí ò nù.
So ìyàwó ẹ̀ ò sọnù. Kó sọ ọmọ tó fọmọ lọ́mọ ṣe because ìyá Ìjẹ̀ṣà hand over ọmọ ìlé lọ́wọ́ nígbà tó ń lọ.
Tó bá fẹ́ yàwó mọ́ wàá dá padà ni.
Only who will arrest rich man? Who is rich man nílùú òyìnbó? Wọ́n á arrest ẹ̀. Olualo kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ rí nílùú òyìnbó. It's nobody when it comes to abroad. Abíóyè olórí. Abíyè ọlá olórí.
Ẹ kú jókòó.
Ẹ kalẹ́ mà.
Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa nínú iṣẹ́ Kristẹni mo kí gbogbo yín o. Àtẹ̀yin ìyá wa náà. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa àtẹ̀yin ìyá wa nínú rògbòdìyàn Mùsùlùmí mo kí gbogbo yín o. Àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe náà tá wà bí àbọ̀rú àbọ̀yàbọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ orí Yèyé Ọ̀ṣun. Ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti máa ń wo show yín látòrí YouTube. Ìyá wa Maureen mo kí yín o.
Ẹ kalẹ́ sábà.
Ẹ kò ṣe o.
Ẹ ṣe mà.
Ìgbà tí mo rọ́ọ̀lù yín ní ìgbà ká máa dáwó fún Yorùbá Nation bí Yorùbá Nation ní Yorùbá Nation mo ti come across yín.
So ẹ dáwó ń gba iṣẹ́ ìgbówó yín padà because gbogbo ẹni tó dáwó náà sanwó ẹ̀ padà.
Yes.
Ẹ ṣe.
So but nígbà yẹn tí wọ́n ń yírọ́ lé yín lórí ribiti.
Ọlọ́run ju gbogbo wọn lọ.
Gbogbo ẹ̀ dẹ́ nígbà yẹn ó dàbẹ̀ pé wọ́n ju òkúta síwájú yín tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ borí kíní yẹn ni mo ti máa ń tẹ̀lé yín. Mo tún tẹ̀lé yín náà lórí Facebook.
Ẹ ṣe mà.
Ó dà pé 2 months ago ìkọ̀kan náà tún ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ń sọ pé bóyá wọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀fẹ̀ fún wọn níwèé.
Ẹ má máa dá wọn lóhùn onírọ́ ni gbogbo wọn.
Mo ṣáà ń wò mí ní arábìnrin yìí ẹni tó bá ti ń ṣe nǹkan tó dáa wọ́n kàn àwọn eléyìí nìkan máa wá bó ṣe máa dà láàmú. Ẹ̀tún ṣe sọ àtìgbà yẹn mo ti máa ń fọ́lọ̀ yín oníṣẹ̀ṣe lèmi ṣùgbọ́n olóòótọ́ ó wà ní gbogbo ibi kò dẹ̀ síbi tí Ọlọ́run ò sí. So oníṣẹ̀ṣe lèmi so tí n bá rí gbogbo àwọn show yín mo máa ń kà á mo máa ń fara mọ́ iṣẹ́ yín nìkan náà ni mo máa ń fọ́lọ̀. Torí àwọn tó kù yẹn àwọn tó wá monetize owó àwọn tó ń pariwo lórí kíní àwọn tó ń ṣe gbá ẹ̀yìn àti obìnrin kan ní London tó rà pé wọ́n lóyún báyìí bóyá wọ́n ti bímọ ìbejì I don't know kí náà ti ń pè mo máa rántí orúkọ wọn so mo máa ń wò yìí dáadáa so mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ o gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wu jáde yìí tó dẹ̀ máa ń dúró sórí òótọ́ báyìí ẹ ń ṣiṣẹ́ gidi gan-an.
Olúwa ni.
ẹ ṣeun o gbogbo iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe ní ilẹ̀ káàró jíire fún àwa tá à ń sọ èdè Yorùbá tá à ń gbọ́ra wa. Ẹ ṣeun mo dúpẹ́.
Ẹ ṣe máa thank you for joining us ma ẹ ṣe. Grace me.
Oh, good evening, ma.
Good evening, how are you?
Good job.
Thank you, ma.
Mo kàn comment from the Friday ọkọ sọ pé ta ló pín arrest man of God.
Kò sí man of God lóyìnbó Nàìjíríà ló ti náà ti mọ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ yálà yá ẹ̀ rí bí.
Ẹ jọ ṣó ní branch l'America.
I don't know, but it's registered here in the UK, which make it a lot easier. Mo ti bọ́ wà lórí charity commission, so inú mi dùn. Àwọn ibì kankan wà tí ò register tó gbogbo ẹni mò ń tò pọ̀.
Kò kí ṣe fọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀. Fọ́ọ̀tì àwọn family yẹn pọ̀ ni.
Yes.
They are too cool for my liking.
Yeah. Ẹ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn kan máa ń bẹ̀rù man of God. Ṣé mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Àwọn ló bẹ̀rù wọn náà.
Àwọn kan bẹ̀rù wọn.
Àwọn country tó ń bí Jesus Christ síbẹ̀ ni ìgbà tí wàhálà dé àwọn òṣèlú máa fi bẹ́ẹ̀ Jésù ṣàánú mi. Àwọn òṣèlú máa fi gbàgbìjà nǹkan tí ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n wà ó ní direction nìyẹn.
Nǹkan tẹ́mi tiẹ̀ ń sọ ni pé èmi ò ṣe rí ó dàbí pé àwọn family yẹn tutù òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni mo touch from day one mo ní àwọn family yìí tutù ṣá. Ẹ bá jẹ́ family mi ni Olualo'S ní sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Màá ti lọ sí church ẹ ibùkọ́ ọlọ́pàá ló máa kó gbogbo wa because gbogbo eré kó máa ṣèbàjẹ́ kó dẹ̀ máa sọ pé kó máa ṣèbàjẹ́ kó dẹ̀ máa lóun ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì òun ṣe program yẹn àbà.
Gbogbo àwọn men of God tó ń pera wọn nobody is perfect anybody ló lè ní problem pẹ̀lú marriage ó ti divorce nìyẹn but jẹ́ kó mọ where about ibi tíyàwó yẹn wà àtàwọn.
Ṣe rí nǹkan tẹ̀mí rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé tí wọn ò bá wọ́ Olualo'S dáadáa tí a bá wọ Olualo dáadáa níbi tó yẹ ká ti wọ Olualo kò ní sí nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ but ó ní bí a ṣe máa wọ a máa wọ because àwọn nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó jáde ló máa jáde. Ó bẹ́tà o tó bá jẹ́ ó possible.
Àwọn Christian tó wà Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti kó orí wọn sínú gbá òun náà ní country ò ṣe ní direction because tó bá ti rí man of God ń sìn.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé the way they see man of God is different from.
And even the Bible said it that you are God. Èmi ò mọ̀ bí táwọn ti rí tẹ́ máa rí just ordinary human being like you tẹ́ máa turn wọn to semi God. Àwọn tó mú Christianity yẹn wá sí Africa gan, they have meaningful life. What the fuck is wrong with Africa?
Lè bọ́nú ẹ̀ wọ́n ti bà tí wọ́n jẹ́.
Àwọn tó wá ta Christianity fún yín gan.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé kì í ṣẹjọ́ àwọn yìí. Ṣẹ́rí my sister ṣẹ́rí orí ọ̀tà ibi tí wọ́n ti ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ti bà ayé wọn jẹ́ síbẹ̀. Àti wọ inú ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì yẹn wọ́n ti rin nǹkan mọ́lẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Gbogbo orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin building ibi tí church yẹn wà. That is why you see them, they will be running from Victoria Island be going to Ọ̀tà. Báwo fẹ́ lọ church?
A brief thing with you guys. Like 10 years ago in my state, like this big church, very, very big church. The congregation to one there at that time, almost 8,000 people.
Wow.
The service, yes. So, but I want service there. My phone call our politicians, the man, the beds and pay. But I'm a background. Lágbájá ìrònú sọ di chairman local government ẹni ìrònú sọ di rep. Ó wá sọ kínní kan lọ́jọ́ yẹn ẹni grandma mi máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ máa ń lórí ẹ̀ gbúdọ̀ pé àwọn gbúdọ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Máa yẹn wá ní kí everybody wá máa gún gbogbo bàtà méjèèjì tán máa ti kó wá sí church fún àwọn máa bọ́ síwájú ọ̀tà pé wọn gbúdọ̀ wọ bàtà yẹn lọlé. Èmi wá wò bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn pé ṣóògbó tí mo yẹn gbàdúrà pé kọ́. Náà máa tún wá gba bàtà ẹsẹ̀ mi. These people are so gullible to the extent that they all went to go and drop the two legs. I'm talking of the two legs of their shoes to that altar. Esa, to people online. It was after 3 weeks of that program that man did. No, we listen here. In like way, you know when a popular madman don't say Kojata when you're remote. It will call people's attention that where is this guy? It was after that incident, after that 3 weeks, the Bobo church with almost 8,000 congregations were there to collapse. So what is now the purpose of the shoes of the people he has collected?
Oh, Sherry, sir. A lot of people do not understand this thing. That Sherry crowd don't build in Ogoni. Oh, I want you know. Economa. Okonoma on your money. You see, sleeping with them up and down. You see,
the church. You can't be a Christian more than me. My grandma is a church planter. She owns a church. So you can't tell me anybody. This is not a matter of hate towards the church. We're asking people to do things in the way of God. So nobody is hating the church. Don't get it wrong.
You see, our people need liberation. That's the way I see it. And the more they understand the way they operate, the better for all of us.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, àwọn èèyàn yìí wọn ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n lògo wọn ni. Ó ṣe jẹ́ pastor nìkan ló máa ń rí ṣe táwọn àwọn míì àdọ́dọ̀ wọn wá from there nǹkan máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ṣé láwọn obìnrin tó ń bá sùn yẹn wọ́n lò wọ́n ni náà?
Hello, Madam Morgan.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, good evening, Otumba. God bless you. With the code, I want points on no context so now. And you see, I am a Christian as well, and I am enjoying my Christian life as well. Sherry, Sherry, in cotton practice in Nigeria, worship Christianity.
God bless you, sir.
They are only hiding under that religion. Okay, I joined one evangelism in West Midland, UK. You answer for me, it's what you want in Nigeria. Oh, yeah, in Nigeria, everybody is a pastor. And another missionary is telling me that the church you build in Nigeria, most of it are short. Or you don't know worship black. Now, why do you practice? Practice in Christianity. Practice in Nigeria than Christianity. They are not Christianity. For example, somebody will start a prophecy on January 1st, and as of when God said some people will die, some people will become rich. Should not look at how when you will. In your mind, there are some blogger will not see the end of the year. Everybody are putting hope before the half of the year. Is that a prophecy? Did they find that in the Bible?
No.
I need to move on.
You mean I need to come dawa? You mean I need to go bread wa?
Now, check one people to the level. What you around church to organize it, yeah, organize and people still call them Christian. These people are not Christian. Even Toba Council go religion one Nigeria. And we not to have means of doing other things. Not to have religion. The important part is Nigeria. What one Christianity?
It's not.
Christianity, worship Christianity.
I agree with you 100%.
They are not Christian.
You see, the day I realized that they are all doing their business. At the end, initially, but I realized the business center ni gbogbo àwọn kini. It's just they are most of them on hustle ni. Bí èmi àti ṣe business wa ta hustle àwọn náà hustle. So you will do everything to bá ní láti lè enhance that business, don't you?
That is just it.
They are not serving God though.
They are not. So mo wà pẹ̀lú èèyàn kan tó ṣàdéhùn ìyọnu ayé ni nígbà tí kò Christian bá ìyọnu ayé ni a máa lọ gbogbo àmà èèyàn kan wá ọmọ ìkẹrẹ ni ó tún kẹrẹ sí ní China ṣùgbọ́n àmà ìbẹ̀ ó wá náà fẹ́ dá church lẹ̀ màmá yẹn sọ fún mi nígbà church ni wọ́n fẹ́ dá lẹ̀ kó tiẹ̀ kí àdìsọ́wọ́ wa mo létà bó ṣe máa rántí kiri yẹn pé mo fẹ́ dá church lẹ̀ ó wá sọ́dọ̀ ológun now irú ẹni yẹn church ẹ̀ lè ti tán and tó bá wá ṣe màjì tó ń kàn jọ. Many people will be there. Then many Nigerians are poverty because of the situation of the country.
But level of poverty, pẹ̀lú wọn tó tún affect wọn.
Poverty, government, orientation, exposure, affect. Poverty real. Èèyàn tẹ́ máa rí church Olualo'S lẹ́ máa rí lẹ́sìkáyà. Àwọn náà ń lọ the pension camp.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń káàkiri ayé wọn ò sì ní ìtumọ̀.
Yes, wọ́n orí òkè orí ìkó ìsàlẹ̀, orí òkè òru, wọ́n ṣe máa rí káàkiri lọ́dún kan nìyẹn. Ó ti ṣọ́ọ̀bẹ̀ ń káàkiri lórí òkè. Báwo ló ṣe máa prosper? Wọ́n wá gbogbo ló ń ṣe lọ́dà mẹ́tìnsì gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́ṣẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ padà sórí kéèsì Olualo'S. Mo appreciate nǹkan tí Daniel ó tẹ̀lé Daniel.
God bless him.
But ibi tí nǹkan tó ń help ó ti ní Daniel yẹn nínú orí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin bloggers náà ẹ̀ tó wá ń dá sí. Ibi tèmi tí ọ̀rọ̀ pé bóyá bí kéèsì yẹn ṣe lè lọ wọ́n pé ṣe rí kéèsì yìí ká yọ religion kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó má dàbí pé you are fighting an established religion. There is nobody that will fight established religion that will win. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká tọ̀ wá.
I agree with you.
Ẹ̀sùn ṣe ń hide ìsàbẹ̀ Christianity. Anybody tó bá ti lè hide ìsàbẹ̀ religion under religion yẹn tó bá ṣe anything body yẹn umbrella yẹn ló máa cover. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe jẹ́ pé there are many terrorists that hide under Islamic religion. Claiming they are Muslims all over the world. And by the time the government bá fẹ́ bá wọn jà wọ́n á ní pé wọ́n persecute Muslims. By the time they bá fẹ́ bá wọn people jà wọ́n á jáde wọ́n á ní pé persecution against Christianity nǹkan tó gbà lọ́dún òní. So you don't fight them without religion. Leave the religion aside. We need to go through the legal. Màmá yẹn ti ké. Ibi tó ó ti ní ṣe mistake kékeré kan. Wọ́n yà kó ipò tí experience with any because I know when you are fighting about 4-5 years ago when you start your this thing with this guy Sule nígbà yẹn tó tún sọ pé tẹ bá wá Nàìjíríà òun á kìlọ̀ dé ní. I know those times tẹ lọ dúró sóde tó wá yín káàkiri experience ti wà. Ó àbáwọn people ìjà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. To that experience, then you need to involve some people to gain experience. Now, màmá yẹn ti ké jáde. Oh, nílò láti ọ̀wọ́ àwọn anybody lọ láti lọ gba voice wọn. Because àwọn tó mọ̀ ó lè jẹ́ àwọn ọ̀gbọ́n náà máa bá gbogbo.
Bàbá bó ṣe wà yẹn, wọ́n máa set èèyàn. Ṣẹ́rí, wọ́n á set dédé bí kí wọ́n wá fẹ́ ìwọ tó bá set up. Kò sí nǹkan tó wọ́n ní set up tówó ti everything. Tí bá sọ nǹkan tí ojú mi rí fún àwọn people tẹ̀ rí. They are mafias.
Ṣé ọmọ ìgbà tẹ wà lóòótọ́ ni? Tán lé yín káàkiri, tán tún fọlọ́pàá, tán tún lu ọlọ́pàá. I know all those times. Now, ìṣe àti wá ní good case, màmá yẹn fún ẹ̀ kò ti ké jáde.
Ó ti tán.
Very important need in say, make it open. You need a legal backup. Tó bá jẹ́ pé kò contribute, some of us will contribute to get a sound lawyer.
I think mi ò ní parọ́ fún yín. What we need is, we are going to get this thing done abroad. Mi ò ní Nigeria government ò ní ṣe tiwọn, but this case is here in Europe. So we are going to get it done here. That's where I see it.
That is it, not in Nigeria. Not in Nigeria.
I'm sorry if you don't agree with me, but go and write it down here. If we want to get justice, we can only get justice here. And I'm talking based on my experience because ojú mo rí oríṣiríṣi. Nigeria no ti lọ gbẹ̀yìn, no ti lọ gba judgment tí mi ò mọ anything 500 million.
Imagine.
Nigeria nígbà tí Sule máa lose ní London tí mo win ẹ̀ ó gbadà lọ sí Nigeria lọ gba judgment láti gbé lọ fún YouTube wọ́n ṣe gbé YouTube mi wálẹ̀ nìyẹn. But you see, just you see this one, I'm going to block you now. I can see you are very stupid. I'm sorry. I need to remove this or whatever. I don't have time for this one. So, Sherry Olualo'S, ó rò pé eré náà bóun ṣe. He thought is tẹ́ bá pariwo títí ẹ máa dákẹ́. But ó ṣe mistake pé kò ní rí bẹ́ẹ̀ because bó ṣe wà yẹn nǹkan tí ó rà á san. Àwọn nǹkan ibi tí ò yẹ ká dé ó rí pé mo ti tì lọ dọ́dọ̀ Ayọ̀mídé Òkúnnẹ̀yẹ ẹni tó ní alleged girlfriend yẹ tó ra lé fún ní Italy. The next time máa gbọ́ ṣèbí kò mọ̀ pé mo ti gbójú ẹ̀ jáde nísìn. Sorry pé case ẹ ti ń kọjá level ọ̀dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ so mọ àwọn information tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi màá tún máa tú síta. So bọ̀ká ló ti ṣe normal ni eléyìí ò ní jáde.
Even ṣẹ́rí kò ní ìdí láti ṣe normal tó bá ṣe normal okay tó bá ṣe normal àwọn èèyàn tó ṣe máa hide. It is better if you want to fight this thing. It's better we fight it for people to know that these people are not Christian.
Yes.
Ṣẹ́rí àwọn àgbàjẹ́ Christian àwọn people yìí dọ̀tí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ṣé ara wọn. Ó ti dé level kan tó jẹ́ pé tó bá sọ fáwọn èèyàn pé Christian yẹn ojú táwọn máa fi wọ ẹ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń bá yàwó níyàwó sùn rẹ̀. Ẹ gbàgbé pé kó ṣe normal jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
No, I think Sherry, this one, àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wọ́n ti get away with so many things. This one, he will not get away with it. He will not. Ó ti jẹ́ kó pẹ́ jù tó wáyé kó fẹ́ ṣe so normal ni. Since ó ti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe. And we are getting closer.
Ìdí tí òfin lè ṣe normal ni pé ó ti ṣẹ̀ sí òfin méjì. According to the òun fún ẹ̀ mo rò pé Christian òfin méjì tí máa sọ fún yín tó ṣẹ̀ sí ni pé there is a doctrine in CAC even though I'm not a member of CAC about marriage. Wọ́n tó lè ọ̀dẹ́ wọn.
My brother, CAC is headquarter of infidelity now. Gbogbo tẹ́ bá lè yọ pastor mẹ́rùn-ún ní CAC tí ò ń ṣàgbèrè. I'm saying it. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àṣírí wọn wà lọ́wọ́ mi. Àgbèrè is part of their doctrine.
Ìyàwó tó lè fi sílẹ̀ nínú gbogbo ó ti bímọ ó tó fẹ́ yàwó lẹ́yìn tó fẹ́ yàwó ó tún fẹ́ ìyàwó wo ló máa wá pé ẹ má jẹ́ kó yà yín.
But Ìyábọ̀ is the official wife o, is the only legal wife.
Legally, that is the tẹ́lẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó ń sọ fún ríyàn nítì ó bọ́ sí gbogbo tó ti lẹ́nu ní nítì o káwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n máa mọ̀ pé ẹni ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyàwó because Ìyábọ̀ fúnra ẹ̀ ó present Ìyábọ̀ ní church ìgbà tó fẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ ó lọ fẹ́ síta ó gba ilé fún ilé ṣáìdì ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀.
No, ó tẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ Ìyábọ̀ nígbà tí Ìyábọ̀ kọ́kọ́ marry para ó mú lọ sọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ kó lọ máa gbé. That is a red flag. It was a big red flag for anybody. Bọ́bọ́ yẹn smart ó ti plan nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe sílẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Òun Ìyábọ̀ lọ sí orí òkè ìròyìn ẹni débi káwọn ọmọ máa ń bọ̀. Òun kọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ fẹ́ gbogbo ìgbà tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ àbàbà ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó dá ìyàwó ẹ̀ mọ̀.
Nígbà tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ àbàbà ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá this guy ló lọ dúró this guy Ayọ̀mídé Òkúnnẹ̀yẹ he was the one there.
Imagine. Inú kíní yẹn ló ti wọ black sunshade báyìí.
Yes, Ayọ̀mídé Òkúnnẹ̀yẹ came all the way from Italy. Ìyàwó àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò wá. Ó wá di alẹ́ ọjọ́, ìgbà tó parí tó lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ó wá lọ give testimony ọ̀rọ̀. Ó wá cover àwọn ó wá lọ sórí radio station, wọ́n ṣe nítorí ògo. Ó wá jẹ́ yìí, iṣẹ́ aṣẹ́wó ló ṣe dé, ló ṣe, ó wá sọ story yẹn and everything.